Hey there, it's Asia Ray here, and I wanted to pop on to talk about the importance of really knowing where you're going as an actor. So, to give you some background on this, I'm kind of embarrassed to admit this, but I'm one of those people who just has zero sense of direction. Like when I was a kid, I would be riding in the car with my parents or something, and I would just look sideways out the window and just like be staring out the window, taking in the sights, looking at other people in cars, no clue where I'm going, right? And my sister's the opposite. She's one of those people who you take her somewhere once, she knows exactly how to get back or how to get to other places from there, right? So it's like two different kinds of brains, right? Like those people who know where the ocean is from wherever they are. I'm like, how do you know that? I have no idea where the ocean is, no idea where the mountain is, no idea where north, south, east, or west is. But connect me to cellular data, give me Google Maps, preferably Waze, and an address, I'm good, right? So thank goodness I was born now. Um, so, in talking today about setting a destination for your career, what I mean is creating an ideal vision for your acting career. Okay. And what that is just an idea framed in the present tense. Usually, I am doing something, I am feeling something, I am being something, and writing out a vision for yourself. I like to think of it as 5 years out, right? Because it gives us enough space to not worry about the reality of the vision, but really to step into possibility. Okay. And the reason why this is so important is because a lot of us actors, or humans for that matter, are like me. Without an address, I'm not getting there. Or it's going to be a heck of a lot harder and take a heck of a lot longer for me to get there. Now, part of what makes having this or creating this ideal vision easier is having an awareness of the possibilities, just knowing what's possible for us as artists, as actors. And if you're only surrounded by people who are doing the exact same things that you're doing, it's hard to have that awareness. It's hard to envision where you can go. So, doing things like listening to artists on Hollywood Awards Chatter, on the Hollywood Reporters Awards Chatter podcast, or watching industry pros on Masterclass. One of the things I'm doing this week is watching Issa Rae's Masterclass. We bring in people to the table who are working at high levels precisely so that we can have a greater awareness of what's possible, so that we can be inspired. Now, at the table, which is our membership for actors, for ambitious actors, we cast an ideal vision together, and then we use our success path to get there. So that includes physical actions, mental, emotional, spiritual, all those things together. All that stuff is important. But we got to know where we're going. All right, so I would love to hear from you in the comments of this post. Share one element of your ideal vision with us. Let us hold space for you as you work toward achieving it. All right, I'd love to hear from you and just know what you're working on, what you're working toward. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. If the table sounds like something that you might be interested in, our doors will be opening in a few months, so you can sign up for the interest list at claimaseat.com. All right, and we also have a list of some recommended podcasts. I believe there are 30 podcasts that we recommend for actors. So you can grab that list at actingresourceguru.com/podcast list. And that link is in this post as well. So head on over and check those out. Much love to you, and I'll see you soon.